My name is Charles Sterling, and I hope that you choose my session as one of the sessions that you want in the Chicago Power Platform World Tour. In my session, I'm going to show you how to go out and do write-backs from Power Apps into your Power BI report and actually get those to update in near real time. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and add a brand new lure, and its ID is something like this. That location, let's make it in California. And I've just fell in love with the new Halco lures, so we're going to add another one of those. And if you go ahead and take a look at it, where's Halco? It's over here. I don't have a lot in my tackle box. I have about $10 worth, but I'm going to add $23 more in my Power BI report. And when I hit this button, we should actually see it updating in real time. So there it is. There you go. I hope that you choose my session as one of the sessions for the Chicago Power Platform World Tour, June 16th through 17th. Thank you very much.